All right, American, listen. My name's Robert Kabuye, Boston, USA. I've been here 21 years. The reason why we are here at the Turkish embassy is our brother Lumbuye Ali in Turkey. He was kidnapped by the mafias, collaborating with the mafias in Uganda, the dictator government of Uganda, the NRM government. And they are there. We are not recognize that government because Robert Kabuye Center is a president who will recognize in law, in constitution, because Ugandans voted and they voted out to Kamaburugaji, Mr. Kuzo. So that's why we are here. Our government is going to hand over why we are here to the Turkish embassy ambassador representative. If they don't free Fred Lumbuye, we're going to buy tents and we sleep here. We will sleep here. They want to make us fear that we are scared of talking about the dictator government. They pay some mafias, some NRM members, and they call our job. They call immigration. They deport us. They give us to stop. Listen, I took the bullet. They poisoned me before. They call mafias on me before.